Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark Azucena with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. And today we got a good one. My clients went to my website, www.buylasvegasnow.com. She went over here to homes with pools, clicked on it, registered, and she actually called me and said, hey, can you tour this house for me? I'm thinking about moving to Las Vegas from California. So I said, sure, why not? So if you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell, and we'll go ahead and get started. All right. This is what we're working with today. We are in the southwest part of Las Vegas, in the community called Nevada Trails. Now we're like, just 10 minutes to the airport, 15 minutes to the strip. And this home was built in 2005 by Pardee Homes. Remember them? I remember them. I think they got caught up in the whole 2008 crash. And then they got bought out by Tri-Point Homes. So yeah, that's the story with them, Pardee Homes. Not like party, like nightclub party, but P-A-R-D-E-E. So this property is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,800 square of living space. As you could see, we got a 3-car garage. And then this lot space, the lot square footage is a huge one. It's about 10,000 square feet. So that tells me, oh yeah, we're also on a corner lot. And I want to say shout out to Melania from Simply Vegas, who's listing this property. And then on this side, you got nice desert landscaping. Got a big, huge cherry palm tree. I love the stacking stone across the home. You got a tree over here. And then let's just quickly check what's on this side. You got pavers. And then there is no solar, but you got an old school satellite dish. And then you got a gate for your, just want to keep your trash bins on this side. Just roll them out for the weekend. And you gotta love this driveway. You could tell they redid the driveway. It is that ancient Rome color look, and they sealed it so it's nice and glossy. And then, yeah, starting from the home, you got a front gate, which leads you into your courtyard. And then you got more stamped concrete with the brownish color, sealed, nice and glossy. Here you have a nice fire pit. That must be a room from the primary master suite. And let's take a look. As you can see, you have shutters. And then we are here, we're home. You shut that door, and right away you have LVP flooring. Leave me a comment below if you think this is like the new style, this light brown LVP flooring. Because about 5 to 10 years ago, it was like that light gray flooring, but nobody's buying that anymore. Everyone's buying this light brown. Okay, so let's start with, this is your great room or living room. I guess you could put a TV up there, ceiling fan, shuttered windows. And into your kitchen, you have a nice glossy quartz countertop with the veins. Looks like a dining table right here. Here was that door to the side of the courtyard. This would be your laundry room. You got the LG and the GE washer and dryer. They're on these little pedal stools over here, front loading. Sink in the laundry room. You got some white shaker cabinets. Here is your 3-car garage. Now, granted, there's still stuff in here, but the sellers are moving out. And back to the kitchen, you have the same quartz countertops. This is your GE profile burner, microwave up on top. It's gotta be your hood on there. And you just have regular 32-inch shaker cabinets. They are not soft closing. And then here's a seam line right here. So that's where they cut the countertops. Deep sink. Here is your dishwasher. And then you got the French door LG refrigerator. And your dual ovens are here. This is a little cooler. And I guess this is also a spot where you can set up your couches, put your TV over here. Got a ceiling fan, more shutters for natural lighting. And here we go into your backyard oasis. You got a covered stucco patio, nice outdoor furniture. And here it is, folks. Take a look at your beautiful pool with the pebble tech. It's looking like 5 feet deep. There is a waterfall in the middle. It's not turned on. And then if you turn around, you got a nice barbecue island with the stone stacking, little fridge in here, American outdoor grill. It's a 32-inch grill. And over here is your pool equipment behind this little fence. And yeah, this is nice. They tiled this nice. Good, right here is a hole where you could put an umbrella. Or you can cut the hole and put like a palapa tree, one of those Mexican trees. And let's head on over to this side. Here is your jetted spa. Very nice pool. So if I turn around, here you got a little putting greens, play some mini golf, or if you have pets, this is gonna be their little dog run area. And then you got your 2 ACs. I don't know, guys, looking kind of old, but that's where we do the home inspection, make sure these 2 units are good to go. More desert landscaping with a tree. There's a little hole right here they filled in with rocks. But yeah, you got your nice turf. Putting greens are right here with the two little golf holes, playing for mini golf. And you got some 2 lounge chairs. And yeah, that's about 3 to 5 feet deep for your pool. Let's get a look at that little tiny waterfall. Beautiful house, right? Okay, so now we're gonna go check out the rooms. Let's start over here. This is gonna be room number 1. It's looking like 10 by 10, it's pretty small in here. You got a ceiling fan, shutters, and this is gonna be your Jack and Jill bathroom. You got some 18 by 18 inch tiles, water closet, and then your tiled shower tub combo. Is that real tile? Yep, it's real tile. Little closet. So this is room number 2. This one's looking a tiny bit bigger because it's 11 by 11. And then here was the door to the bathroom. Ooh, look at this. Hermes. Okay. This is gonna be room number 3, which is this one's bigger, 14 by 13. Got some more Hermes and Dior bags in here. Custom shelves. I'm sure you can get that at IKEA. Again, you got your ceiling fan. And then here you have your own personal shower. Water closet, not really a water closet, but this is a bathroom. Could be the guest bathroom. This is another linen closet. And this is where the internet cable box is and all your electricals. All right, so this is it. This got to be your primary master suite. Let me pull it up to see how big it is. All right, according to the MLS, it looks like we are 20 by 18. And then you got your dual doors to your outdoor pool. You got upgraded carpet. This is like that nice padded carpet. Ceiling fan up top. That's a queen bed. And then back to your LVP flooring. Water closets over here. You have your quartz countertop for your dual sinks. This got to be a little station where you ladies could do your makeup. But here you go. Little nice shower. You got your tiled shower down here. A little sit down area. Nice tiling all the way to the top. And your tile trim is over here. Nice glass. And then, you know, the shower's kind of short. So if you're pretty tall, you might be taller than this shower. You might, if you're like 6'5", you might want to raise that up to like over there. Yeah, here is the area where you can put your shampoos and soaps. And I thought that was gonna be a rainfall shower, but nope, it's just lights. And then here is your primary master suite, walk-in closet. You got the custom shelves. Damn, Gucci bags, Hermes bags, Louis bags. All right. You got a mirror right here. All right, guys, let's head on back to the pool and we got to talk about the price. Now, my California buyer is thinking about selling their home for around $1 million and purchasing this home and then, you know, keeping like 100 or 200 to themselves, which is doable. I've done that with 5 California clients already, but the price on this property is $850,000. It's pretty new in the market, so it just came on the market about last weekend. So as far as price reduction goes, can't really say yet, but you never know. If you like this house, you want me to put an offer for this house for you, or if you want me to find you a house just like this, go ahead and give me a call. I'll leave my number down here. And yeah, this is beautiful Nevada Trails. We are close to the brand new Durango Casino that I'm there every weekend. I DJ there sometimes too as well. And yeah, I guess that is your tour for today. I got a nice open house this weekend in Sun City Anthem, and we'll go ahead and tour that as well. But I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.